built in the 9th century to conserve water in arid Rajasthan. This staggering stepwell features how many perfectly symmetrical steps leading down to its emerald green pool? What is your answer? Time is up. 3,500 steps is the right answer. Did you know? The air at the bottom of the well remains consistently 5 to 6 degrees Celsius cooler than at the surface, which provided a perfect gathering place for locals during periods of intense summer heat. Question 2. Carved entirely out of a single volcanic tuff block down into the earth, what unique, uniform shape does the roof of the Church of St. George in Lalibela form? What is your answer? Time is up. A Greek cross is the right answer. Did you know? Local legend asserts that St. George himself was so outraged at being left out of the initial plan for the other 10 Lalibela churches that he personally rode up on horseback to oversee this church's construction, leaving hoof prints in the rock that are still pointed out to visitors today. Question 3. This mysterious ruined city, built on 92 artificial islets, is the only ancient city constructed entirely on top of what natural marine feature? What is your answer? Time is up. A coral reef is the right answer. Did you know? The basalt stones utilized weigh up to 50 tons each, yet the ancient Pohnpeians possessed no cranes, metal tools, or draft animals, and the source quarries were located on the opposite side of the island. Question 4. Reaching depths of over 85 meters, what ingenious mechanism did the ancient inhabitants of Drinkuyu use to seal off individual floors from intruders? What is your answer? Time is up. Massive circular rolling stone doors with central petholes is the right answer. Did you know? The central hole in each rolling stone door served two purposes. It allowed defenders to peer through to see the enemy, and served as an axle hole for a wooden lever to ease rolling. Question 5. Perched atop a sheer, 400-meter vertical rock pillar, how were visitors and provisions primarily raised to the monastery of the Holy Trinity prior to the construction of stone steps in the 1920s? What is your answer? Time is up. Via a complex pulley system with rope ladders and nets is the right answer. Did you know? When early travelers asked the monks how often they replaced the ropes used to pull people up in the nets, the standard response was, only when they break.